Hey yo, what's up everybody? I'm here at my favorite food truck of all time, Mama Estela's. Gonna get some Birria tacos. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's go. Gonna dive into this right now. Yo, this lime Doritos, delicious. The little bit of onions on top softens. The crispy ones in the consomme, so good. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Super savory, a little sweet from the lime. Oh my god. I want to hug them. I want to donate. I want to volunteer. I want to work for you for free just because it's so good. Thank you so much, Mama Estela. I will be back again and
again.
Thank you everybody for tuning in. Like, comment, share, subscribe. More videos to come. Peace.